In this video, I am going to show how to compensate a new probe. If the probe is not well compensated, we may get inaccurate measurement. I am using the Signant model SDS1204XE. However, the process is similar for any other oscilloscope. This is the new probe we are going to connect to channel 1. As we can see, there is a little hole here, and this is the one we use for adjustment. And here we have the tip pin and the ground pin. In the oscilloscope, we have two terminals, one ground and one for compensation signal. So we are going to connect to channel 1. Ground goes to ground terminal, and the tip goes to the compensation terminal. We make sure the hole is up because we need to adjust. Here, connected the ground and the tip, and as we can see, we have square wave. However, this is not accurate, it should be flat. For that, we are going to adjust the hole. In the probe, it comes with a screwdriver, and we are going to adjust. As you can see, the reflection on the oscilloscope. Here we go. Now it is well compensated.